Hey, what's up guys? Serge here. So we have a pretty good idea of what the OnePlus 6 will probably look like at this point, and now the device has appeared in a newly leaked video which only strengthens our confidence in the likely design. As you can see, the video shows the top half of the OnePlus 6 highlighting that there's gonna a notch at the top. OnePlus has already confirmed that there will be a notch on the OnePlus 6, so that's not a surprise. By the way, the notch houses a selfie camera, LED notification light and an earpiece. Additionally, there is an image leak which gives a better look at the front of the OnePlus 6. As you can see, the bottom bezel appears quite thin and the image also features the DxO Mark logo, suggesting that a review of the smartphone is already in the works. The positioning of the button is not a surprise. We have a power key on the right, volume rocker on the left, along with the alert slider that became something of a traditional feature for OnePlus device. The fingerprint scanner should be on the back, but OnePlus started implementing face unlock and the feature will most likely be available in the 6 as well. So over on the outsource of social media speculation, there's a picture going purporting to be a press invitation to the OnePlus 6 in Shenzhen on May 15, or is that May 5? But according to me, it should be May 5 given that the OnePlus 5T isn't on sale anymore in China and most other places. So yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.